very honored that I came to the opening of this revitalized, reconstructed garden, which originally was here more than 100 years ago. What I really respect and cherish a lot is the fact that this has been a result of volunteers, people who have devoted their time to create a garden which will last for a long time and be available for the general public to enjoy. And I've seen the garden myself. It's a very high quality Japanese garden.
The garden was here originally when Japanese gardens were becoming popular in the UK. And we know that our garden here lost its identity. And we've involved lots of local people. We've involved 3 schools and Horticap, was a local handicap garden group.
I have no doubt that this will become a very popular place, and a place where the citizens of Harrogate, not only Harrogate but of the area, will come and enjoy.
And the Japanese Garden Society have been absolutely key to all this. And I have to say, it's the Japanese Garden Society who have ensured that the ambassador has visited us today, for which we are extremely grateful.